This is what we need. It's always a good slip when we are on the lead.
To be back at home, a rally that you've won, of course, before too.
Well, yeah, it's great, but Sami is still coming, so wait for that.
No pressure, he says. 8, 5, and 8.
14 and 22.
That was quite fun. Nice jumps.
It was better. The rats help us a lot.
What advice? Just enjoy it. That's it. Good luck. Ole hyvä.
Good slip. It's always a good slip when we are on the lead. So that's the plan. Keep the position until the end. So.
It's quite tight, as we expect. So
we tried to drive as on shakedown. It was, for me, the shakedown was good on the first run, so we tried to keep the momentum from there.
this one was good, really enjoyable. It was very good fun. I'd like to be a bit faster. It's okay.
Really positive start. Yeah, it's completely opposite feeling. In Estonia I thought I did good and the times were bad, and now I thought I wasn't that good and the time was good. So hard to understand. Well, I anticipated wrong the grip level on this braking. It's a really fast section, and then you have a short right, like 40 meters, fast left over crest. I thought we were gonna survive, but then the skirt touched the edge of the road and flipped us over. So, and then the game was over.
If you're getting a bit of the damage here to the cage, that's not coming back.
Thierry, can you tell us what broke?
says it all. I just lost the rear, and the time I catch the car, I went a bit wide on the next corner, and there was a stone, and bam.
Sure, the rally started now.
We will get more wind than the others, so gonna try our best. That's rallying.
Tons of rain. Tons of rain. Yeah. I think Adrien, Oliver and us, we were the most punished.
I needed a boat, not a rally car.
Next stage, you gave it everything, and from then on, we saw you.
Hello, man.
Attends, attends, hein? Oui, donc vers l'avant. Oui.
1 minute 20.
Yeah. We'll be on time.
How was your first stage?
It's getting a bit frustrating, isn't it? You put yourself in these great positions and then things out of your control just continue to happen.
Yeah.
30 secondes.
Better. Honestly, I'm struggling a bit. We're trying to find something for tomorrow, so we did some setup changes. Hopefully we're gonna do some more this afternoon to see if we find anything for tomorrow to give us a chance to fight for some extra points.
And from yesterday, cars improved? Did you find something?
No.
Not yet?
No, unfortunately not.
Sunny day. 3 minutes, Adrien.
Yeah, more or less.
More or less doesn't sound.
Yeah. It depends the corner. Morning long was a bit crazy, I would say. The speed into these stages was just unbelievable, but I was really enjoying it. A lot of flowing stages. The grip was so low, but at the same time we were carrying so much speed in the corners. Anyway, I was a bit fighting, but it's very nice feeling to drive on those roads with this Rally 1 car. I'm really enjoying it, so that's it.
I would go on his clicks. They are very similar, but he has driven them for the weekend, so they should work, no?
Yeah.
Issue that we try to solve.
Do you think you can fix it?
This is what we are trying, yeah. Thierry, can you give us any info what you have to fix?
Just some radiator fan.
Confident it works?
It works.
It's, I would say, surprising. It played with my reaction time. A rock hit the thumb guard. So the underneath the car, push the car at the front up. So then we went out. The rear wheel was in the ditch definitely. The rest was okay. At that speed it's a little bit more and ciao.
35 secondes.
Luckily only 2 Ks before the finish.
Yeah.
But today I had 3 or 4 cars between him and myself.
Yeah. So that's the difference. But tomorrow,
especially the guys in front, they were not pushing for something.
Yes.
So they don't commit. So every time I push, I'm in the loose outside, you know.
Yes, the line is different. Yeah.
So at least tomorrow I know I will have something correct.
When was the last time you were on a Ford?
2013.
Yes,
quite more tire.
Yeah.
We have 0 tire and 0 grip. Yeah, we have a lot.
This is what we need.
On the front, you have a look. On the rear we change the springs. We just open and
This car, it's something else than the Rally 2 car and the next car that will be in 27, so we need to enjoy the last stage here because it's so fast and it's an incredible feeling. I hope one day we will get back like proper machinery.
I have no regrets. We gave everything. We had the rain on Friday, which killed a bit our rally. Unfortunately, we went back to the podium. We had a big fight with Wydaeghe. Finally, we are not on the podium, but we are on the podium on the Super Sunday and the power stage. So that's very good for the points. Very a shame. I wanted to be on the podium anyway, but that's life, and we will see you in South America. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Thank you.
Over the jump. Huh? Over the jump. This was crazy.